Hi guys, this is day 3 of putting out the trail cam by the bird feeders and see what we can capture. And this is a little bit of a longer one because today the bird feeder was extremely busy, which was amazing to see. Robins, sparrows, and even the pigeons came down today, which is awesome. So what I did is I actually put a new type of seed out. The one I had before was just a wild bird seed mix, but the one I put out this morning was actually a robin and songbird mix, which had dried mealworms and little suet pellets and all sorts of bits and bobs in there, and the birds went absolutely crazy for it, as you'll be able to see for yourself in this video. So it started off as it normally would, with the robin and a couple of little sparrows popping down, but it soon went absolutely crazy. So here's the first wood pigeon of the day. He came down, checked everything was all clear, give the camera a bit of a once over before dropping down for the seeds. This guy gave the camera the full work over to see if it was safe. It was also my daughter's birthday today, so we were in and out quite a lot. But the birds, they kept coming back. As you can see, the pigeon on the right hand side there. And then I believe a sparrow pops up. There he is. I'm thinking about putting a couple of different feeders out. I can get hold of fat balls and things like that pretty easily, but I'm not too sure where to put it so that the trail cam would be able to see it, because I do want to keep it in this position. I'm just going to have a bit of a think about the location on the new feeder, I think. So some of the other sparrows have started to hear about the new feeder, so they gradually start to flood in one by one. And slowly but surely my fence starts to fill with sparrows. You know, it really is satisfying knowing that birds are liking and trusting your garden enough to visit it long enough to stop, to gather some food and even get a drink. You know, trust plays a big part actually in feeding wildlife. Obviously you have to show them that you mean them no harm. You know, like if they come to your garden, for example, while you're sitting in it or while you're out putting the laundry out, something like that, you know, just, you know, stay still if you can, or even sit down if that's possible, because, you know, maintaining a non-aggressive posture with these guys, you know, getting down lower, or, you know, just standing there, just watching, just shows them that you aren't out to hurt them, you know, and you're willing to share your garden with them. And as you can see here now, it really does go a long way, because, you know, the birds will just keep coming back. Whereas if you're chasing them off, or, you know, things like that, or you've got pets that keep chasing them off, they're not going to want to come to your garden. So, as I said, if you want the wildlife to keep visiting, just, you know, just keep at it. You'll get there eventually. Anyway, enough of my rabbiting on. I'll just leave you now to enjoy some wildlife. watching these little guys. I could just watch them for ages. Oh, also, if you're unaware of how to tell the difference between male and female in this, guys, as you can see there, the male is the one that's got the slightly black face, and the female is the one that's all brown. So the one in the front there now, that's a female, and two back, so the one that's back there now, that one there, that is a male. Oh, yeah, Mr. Robin came back. There he is. I was worried he wasn't going to make an appearance again today, but there he is. Oh, hello. Extreme close-up. I'm glad to see Mr. Robin approves of the Robin and Songbird mix. That's good. Also, after doing a bit of research, I found out that it's actually impossible to tell the difference between a male and female in a robin without a DNA test. So I'm just guessing that it's a Mr. Robin. Now I'm just going to leave you to watch some of the footage and enjoy the different birds that come up, like this pigeon, for example, and whatever else comes to the fence. So yeah, enjoy. Thank God the camera's tightly strapped to the post here. A bit of a panic when I saw that. Boo. Came out of nowhere, that guy. Everyone now just patiently waiting their turn, waiting for that pigeon to be done with the seed. I gotta tell you though, there was about 40 minutes of footage of just the pigeon at the feeder, so you know, obviously I didn't include all of that. That would have just been too much. I've seen quite a few magpies flying around the background there. They always go up to that tree. Sadly, none ever come down to the feeder. But it's still nice to see them flying around, I guess. You know, even though they're quite common, I actually really like the sparrows, especially the female. Actually, I think they're quite pretty. The markings and stuff like that they got on them are stunning, I think. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, drop a like and subscribe if you're on my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next one.